Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all. Today I am going to start the concept of taxonomic categories. Before starting this concept, I want to tell you one thing. Subscribe for my YouTube channel for biological updates and join my WhatsApp channel which I have given in description in link I have provided. So join that WhatsApp channel. So let's start with the concept of taxonomic categories. So what do you mean by taxonomic categories? Taxonomic categories is nothing but it is a level or ranking system used to classify the living organism. Taxonomic category is nothing but it is a level or rank in a system. It is a level or rank in a system which is used to classify the living organisms. Taxonomic category is a part of overall taxonomic arrangement. Taxonomic category plays a very much important role in overall taxonomic arrangement. So taxonomic category is very important in classifying the organism. So taxonomic hierarchy. Now we are going to discuss about taxonomic hierarchy. Taxonomic hierarchy is nothing but it is a structured system. Taxonomic hierarchy is a structured system used in biology for classification and rank a living organism. Taxonomic hierarchy is a it is a structured system used in biology for classification and rank organism. As one word is mentioned here, structured. Structured is nothing but from the kingdom to the lowest category species. It is known as a structured system. Taxonomic hierarchy is nothing but it is a structured system used in biology for classification and rank a living organism. Taxon. Now the another one word is written here taxon. Taxon is nothing but each category represents a rank in a taxonomical hierarchy. The each category represents a rank in taxonomic hierarchy is known as an taxon. Suppose kingdom may be taxon, phylum may be taxon, division may be taxon, like that up to species they are taxons. Each category that represents a rank in taxonomical hierarchy. In plants and animals, in plant and animal kingdom have species as a lowest category. Both the plant and animal kingdom have species as a lowest category. The highest category is kingdom, while the lowest category is species in both animal and plant kingdom. Okay. Now let's discuss the taxonomic categories one by one. The first one is species. So species is nothing but it is a group of organisms with a fundamental similar characteristics. The organism which are having the similar characters, fundamental similar characters are grouped and that group is known as a species. The organisms are grouped with fundamental similar characteristics are known as a species. Species is nothing but it is a group of organisms with a fundamental similar characteristics. It is a group of organisms with fundamental similar characteristics. So species is a basic unit of classification. Species is a basic unit of taxonomical classification. Species plays a very important role in taxonomical classification. For example, potato. The scientific name of potato is Solanum tuberosum. Here, Solanum is genus and tuberosum is species. So, in this, tuberosum is considered as an species. The scientific name of potato is Solanum, tuberosum. Here, tuberosum is going to be considered as a species. The human belongs to species sapiens. As you know, the scientific name of human being is Homo sapiens. So, human belongs to species sapiens, which is grouped under genus Homo. As you are seeing here, humans belongs to species sapiens. Human belongs to species sapiens, which is grouped under genus Homo. The scientific name of human being is Homo sapiens. As you know, scientific name of a human being is Homo sapiens. Here, Homo is genus and species, and sapiens is species. It is according to binomial nomenclature. Here, Homo is genus and sapiens is species. The scientific name of human being is Homo sapiens. I thought you have cleared the concept of species. Okay. In taxonomic categories, the second concept is genus. So genus is nothing but it is a group of related species which has more characteristics, which has more common characteristics in comparison to species of other genera. In genus, what happens is it is a group of the group of related species which has more characters in common in comparison to species of other genera. Genus is nothing but it is a group of related species. The related species has been grouped and which has more characters in common in comparison to species of other genera. Genera aggregates closely related species. Genera groups are closely related species. For example, potato and brinjal having same genus as Solanum. As you know, potato and brinjal vary in their species but not in genus. Potato and brinjal is belongs to the same genus that is Solanum. They differs in the species, but they are belonging to same genus that is Solanum. Lion, as you know, the scientific name of lion is Panthera leo, and leopard. The scientific name of leopard is Panthera pardus, and the scientific name of the tiger is Panthera tigris, with several common features. As you know, these three organisms, that is namely lion, leopard, and tigers, are having several common features. As you may see, all of these three organisms, they are having similar morphological characters. Morphology external features, as you may see, they exhibit several common characteristics. They exhibit several common features. Are all species of genus Panthera. Are these three organisms are having same genus that is Panthera. They differ in species, but they are all belonging to the same genus that is Panthera. This genus, this genus is nothing but Panthera. Panthera differs from other genus Felis. This Panthera genus differs from the other genus that is Felis, which includes cats. As you may see, cat is also having common features as of lion, tiger, and leopard, but it is belonging to the different genus that is Felis. Felis is a genus which includes cats. I hope you have cleared the concept of genus also. Okay. Now moving to the third concept that is family. Family is nothing but it is a group of related genera. The genera which are having common characters that are grouped, and that group is known as a family. Family is nothing but it is a group of related genera. The group of related genera is known as family. The genus which are having the relatable characters are common characters among them that are grouped, and that group is known as a family. These families are characterized based on both vegetative as well as reproductive characters. For example, take an example. Solanum, Nicotina, and Datura are all belongs to the family Solanaceae. For example, take families are characterized based on both vegetative. The family that are characterized based on vegetative as well as reproductive characters. For example, Solanum, Nicotina, and Datura, these three are different species and different genera also, but these are relatable genera. The relatable genera Solanum, Nicotina, and Datura belongs to the relatable genera. So these three species belongs to the same family, that is Solanaceae. The suffix for family in plants is Aceae. As you may see the word, for example, Malvaceae, Malvaceae, and Cucurbitaceae, Cucurbitaceae. As you are seeing that the families that are ending with Aceae, it is a suffix. It is a suffix. Acacia is a suffix. The suffix for family in plants is Acacia. Among animals, for example, among the animals, for example, genus Panthera compromising. As you know, Panthera is compromising of mainly three species that are tiger, leopard, and lion. Lion is put along with the genus Felis. As you know, Felis is a genus which includes cat, as you are seeing here. Among the animals, for example, genus Panthera comprising tiger, lion, leopard is put along with the genus Felis, which includes cats under the family Felidae. Here, the genus Panthera as well as genus Felis are having the relatable characters. These both are related genera, so they are grouped under same family, that is namely Felidae. I hope you have cleared this point. The cat and dog are separated into two different families, that are Felidae and Canidae. The cat belongs to the family that is Felidae, and dog belongs to the family that is Canidae. I hope that you have cleared the concept of family also. Now moving to the another concept, that is fourth one, that is order. Order is nothing but it is a group of families. The group of families which exhibit few similar characteristics. The families which exhibit few similar characteristics that are grouped, and that group is generally known as order. Order is nothing but it is a group of families. The group of families is generally known as an order that exhibit few similar characteristics. In between the families, they exhibit a few similar characteristics that families are going to be grouped, and that group is known as an order. The similar characters are less in number. The similar characters that are less in number as compared to different genera included in family. Here, what happens is the similar characters are less in number. As in family, the similar characters are more in number, but here in order, the similar characters are less in number as compared to different genera included in family. For example, Convoluaceae and Solanaceae. The Convoluaceae and Solanaceae are both the families with a few similar characteristics. These both exhibit few of the similar characteristics that are Convoluaceae and Solanaceae both exhibit few similar characteristics, so that they are included in the order Polemonials. The Convoluaceae and Solanaceae are the families which are having few similar characteristics. So they are grouped under a order, namely that is Polemonials. Polemonials. The suffix for order is else. The suffix for order is else. Here you are seeing else. It is only the suffix. The suffix for order is else. Animal order Carnivora. The Carnivora is a animal order that includes both the families that are namely Canidae and Felidae. Felidae and Canidae are both the families that are included in the animal order that is namely Carnivora. Carnivora is a order that includes the families like Felidae and Canidae, because Felidae and Canidae both exhibit few of the similar characteristics. So these both families, namely Felidae and Canidae, that are grouped in the order, namely Carnivora. I hope you have cleared about the concept of order. Moving to the another classification, I mean another type of taxonomic categories, that is class. I hope it is a fifth one, class. As you may get the doubt that what is class? Class is nothing but don't go for movies that is class and mass. That is not the type of taxonomic category. This class is different and your movie class and mass are different. So according to the biology class, class is nothing but it is the group of related orders. The group of related orders, the orders which are having relatable characters or common characters in between the orders, that orders has been grouped. That group is known as a class. The group of related orders, for example, malveals. For example, malveals. In malveals, rosels and polemonials. Rosels, rosels and polemonials. Rosels and polemonials are orders that are included in class Dicotyledon. Rosels and polemonials are both the orders which exhibit common characteristics. So they are included in the class of Dicotyledon. Dicotyledon is nothing but having two cotyledons. In case of plants, rosels and polemonials are the orders that are included in a plant class, that is Dicotyledon. Class Primata. Primata is a class that is comprising monkey, gorilla, and gibbon. The Primata is a class that including the animals like monkey, gorilla, and gibbon. Monkey, gorilla, and gibbon is placed in the class Mammalia. Along with the order Carnivora that includes tiger, cat, and leopard. Primata is a class that is comprising monkey, gorilla, and gibbon. These are placed in class Mammalia. The monkey, gorilla, and gibbon is placed in the class Mammalia. Along with these three organisms or animals, the order Carnivora has also been included in this class. The order Carnivora, that is including tiger, cat, leopard, and lion. So I hope you have clarified about the concept of class. Okay. Moving to the another taxonomy category, that is division by phylum. As you may, as you are seeing two words here, division and phylum. Division comes in terms of plants and phylum comes in terms of classification of animals. So you may get the doubt that what is division? In plants, the group of related classes that are included in the division. The plants in plants group of related classes are included in division. The classes that are having few similar characteristics, relatable characteristics, that classes of plants that are grouped and that groups are called as an division. And in animals, group of related classes are included in phylum. In animals, there are various classes are there. The various classes which exhibit the similar characteristics or a relatable characters that are grouped, and that group is known as an phylum. It is known as phylum. The classes monocotyledon and dicotyledon. As you know, monocotyledon and dicotyledon are plant classes. It comes in terms of plants, monocotyledon, dicotyledon. Monocotyledon and dicotyledon are included in the division Spermatophyta. The classes are namely monocotyledon, which is having single cotyledon, and dicotyledon. Di is refers to two cotyledons. The classes having single cotyledon and two cotyledons that are included in the division Spermatophyta and subdivision Angiospermae. Subdivision is Angiospermae. These angiosperms are flowering plants. So the classes comprising animals like the classes that are comprising animals like the amphibians, birds, fishes, reptiles, along with the mammals, they constitute a higher category known as phylum. The classes comprising animals like amphibians, birds, fishes, and reptiles, along with the mammals, constitute a higher category known as an phylum. The examples for phylum are for phylum are the examples for phylum are Chordata, Arthropoda. The classes comprising animals like amphibians, birds, reptiles, fishes, along with the mammals, constitute a higher category known as phylum. The examples for phylum are Arthropoda and Chordata. I hope you have cleared the concept of division as well as phylum also. Okay. Moving to the moving to the last concept of the taxonomy category, that is kingdom. So, what do you mean by the kingdom? The kingdom is nothing but the group of divisions or the various divisions placed under highest category. The various divisions that are placed under the highest category is known as an kingdom. The divisions that may be spermatophyta, like that only. The various divisions placed under highest category known as an kingdom. as we go higher from species to kingdom, as we go higher from species to kingdom, there are many several taxonomic categories will come like genus, family, class, order, class, order, phylum, division. There are several categories will come. As we go from species to kingdom, the number of common characteristics will decrease. As we go higher from species to kingdom, as we go higher from species to the higher category, kingdom, species is a lower category and kingdom is a higher category. As we go from species to higher category kingdom, the number of common characteristics will decrease. The number of common characteristics will decrease. Lower the taxa, more are the characteristics that members of taxon share. Lower the taxa is whenever kingdom to phylum or division, the characters will be more. The phylum to class, the characters, the relatable characters are more. The class to order, the relatable characters will be more. Like that only, kingdom to pieces, lower the taxa, more are the characteristics that members of taxon share. Like that only, family to genus, the relatable characters will be more. Genus to species, the relatable characteristics will also be more. Lower the taxa, the more are the characteristics that members of taxon share. All animals, all the animals belong to various phyla. Phyla is nothing but phylum. All the animals belonging to various phyla are assigned to a higher category known as kingdom Animalia, which is used in classification of animals, classification system of animals. All the animals belongs to various phyla. Phyla is nothing but phylum are assigned to a higher category. The animals belonging to various phylum that are assigned to a that are included in a higher category called as kingdom Animalia, which is used in the classification system of animals. In today's class, we have covered all the taxonomical categories. We have studied about the taxon, what is taxonomical hierarchy, and types of taxonomical hierarchy. Also, we have discussed briefly. So, with this, I hope you have understand the concept of kingdom also. So, with this, I will end today's class. Thank you, one and all. Subscribe for my YouTube channel and join my WhatsApp channel. The link has been given in the description. Thank you, one and all. Meet you in upcoming class. Thank you.